Essential life skills to teach young children. 1. Self-care skills. Eating and bathing independently. Dressing and grooming. Tidying up toys and books. Helping with simple household tasks like setting the table or folding clothes. 2. Communication skills. Listening and speaking clearly. Greeting others, saying thank you and sorry. Expressing emotions and needs appropriately. 3. Problem-solving skills. Identifying and understanding problems. Finding and choosing solutions. Asking for help when needed. 4. Collaboration skills. Sharing toys and playing with others. Working in groups and completing tasks together. Listening to and respecting others' opinions. 5. Critical thinking skills. Asking questions and seeking answers. Analyzing information and forming opinions. Solving problems creatively. 6. Emotional management skills. Recognizing and controlling emotions. Expressing emotions appropriately. Resolving conflicts peacefully. 7. Safety skills. Recognizing dangers and protecting oneself. Obeying traffic rules. Knowing what to do in dangerous situations. 8. Basic life skills. Using the phone and internet safely. Performing basic first aid.